Pretty good.
Good job.
About as good as Daddy now.
Well, hold on. No, not stabbing it. Here, let Mommy show you, honey. Mommy. Huh? You want a fork, Kenna?
Kenna, you want a fork?
No, there's a bite.
Can Mommy have Mommy's chopstick back?
It's so yummy.
Here, Mommy will help you.
It's so yummy.
Hey, I'm going to help you. Stop. Here. Hold on. Wait a minute. There you go. Good bite.
He's trying. Good job.
Good job.